This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Pull the safety catch release and open the bonnet. Release the support prop and clip it into the hole in the inner wing. The engine oil filler cap and level dipstick are often brightly coloured for easy identification. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Withdraw the dipstick again and examine the oil level. If the oil level is below or near the minimum mark, topping up is necessary. Clean the area around the filler cap, then rotate it anti-clockwise and remove it. Using a funnel to minimise spillage, add the correct grade of oil a little at a time to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The coolant expansion tank and filler cap are located at the rear of the engine compartment. When cold, the level should be up to the minimum mark. If topping up is necessary, clean the top of the reservoir, then slowly unscrew the filler cap to allow any residual pressure to escape. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and coolant to bring the level up to the maximum mark. Securely refit the filler cap. The brake fluid level must be kept between the minimum and maximum marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the top of the reservoir, disconnect the level sensor wiring plug, and unscrew the filler cap. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container. Securely refit the filler cap. Reconnect the level sensor wiring plug. The Screenwash filler cap is located at the rear of the engine compartment. Pull open the cap and add a mixture of Screenwash additive and water. Securely press down the filler cap. Stow the safety prop, firmly close the bonnet, and check it's secure.